You're talking down. You're talking down.
Are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. Try again. You never make it last year.
Chilling with mommy and bae. Today we're gonna go to Sab today to get my bank card. Ooh, and we're going to the beach later on. No.
This is my name, Julie, and this one is called Prestige. It's Julie Prestige.
That's Sharon. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for Share so we can hit the road to Sab and get some KFC. Woo! Yeah, so
You're talking down. You're talking down.
off to breakfast with my mom and bae. We're done.
Khaki, horse ski.
We're done.
Where's it?
Where we going? Okay, we're going to breakfast, right? What, ma'am? What's tight?
This, close you ready.
It's tight.
A size 14.
Why did you?
Because every 16 you buy them bigger, I take 14 and now the 14 them. But they don't have that. And you just say that
So yeah, today is off. 6th of June. We're going for breakfast. Yeah. We're going to breakfast and then we're gonna come back, get dressed, go to the hotel with bae. With baby.
So I know the clothes and things ready for me. That's something more people stay. So when you love use of them out, they have very thin skin. Are you? You love use a bacon as me up my mouth I first have to draw. Look how quick you run down the stairs. I mean I draw behind for you, just birds. I'm not going in my vault. And look on you running. You run. You run up, you grab the key fast, you fall down the stairs.
No, you said come on, some
Puppy show.
No cheese there?
Why you sell a soul to the killing them? Just trust the puppy, every dopey, give me them. Pussy, you're no bad like Miss Kitty friend. It's a pleasure for me, squeeze up his garden.
How much are the parents feel today? No, the girl who died. No, what I'm saying, the one who did. Her parents say must not shock today. That's why you see anything happen in your life, young girl, make your mother know. And maybe things happen and everyone never say it to her parents. Not that, don't get me wrong, say, but you don't need to keep silent because look at that man.
No man.
Yeah, I mean,
that family is hers.
right, and so they get to say that something they don't know until you're already into them. But when she they want to see what they happen to all the brothers, and she shall run. Yeah. Shall run, not true. When you say they have too much one night family man, you run, you say, no, stop. It's not look right. Love, okay, love, because they are strong with love. If you love more or you love your life, then so be it. She's scared, you're joking. Well, yeah, they might not have protection out here, but you could have left somewhere else.
Somebody when they know money, when they know the money is there, I'm afraid of them. Oh. I'm afraid for left, they want money for them. It's papaya.
You papaya?
I'm going to tell you something, I'm going to eat pumpkin. If I cook pumpkin, I'm going to eat it.
Smile.
Shut up.
smell for the camera.
Oh, that was fast. That looks.
Damn, that's a lot.
Wow, thank you.
Boy, we are gonna eat. We are gonna eat. Finish. Wastage.
What kind of wastage? What's that? What kind of wastage?
Oh.
Hey, what's that? Come on. Lift it up.
Share your belly. Big. We about to get licked. Gone. I'm so bloated. Fuck's sake. Whose bag is yours?
Yeah.
Man.
Bad man, now you're bugging that out. The road.
You got the key? You're not lucky?
Come on, that's it.
I think so.
Dosa. Them go chat about a thing and me go here, but mine never get me there. No. Me go check the levels and me see it clear. And me have the powers where them fear.
No.
Let me see what you have on the waterproof.
The iPhone?
Somebody put in the water and freeze it to get it.
What iPhone is that? No. It's far from waterproof, babe. That's the cool. Fabulous, beautiful. There's the bar.
Where is it?
The gym's open 24 hours, they said, you know.
Where's it?
Right there, fitness gym.
Go.
You know I don't get no muscles.
May I put muscle on your again? Cheese omelette with ham, fried them. You kind of more emotional, so I just make you have your thing, you know. What you want? One time I believe married. Now married 2 times. I not really my house.
You alright?
Smile back up.
Eh?
Smile back up and knock him out.
Hey, how's your baby?
He's okay, you know.
Oh, is it him?
Yeah, him.
Oh,
Boy,
nice. You've been working?
Yeah.
What time you
Team
finish?
bless.
4 o'clock.
4?
Yes, I did.
Like it, tattoo them.
Me have enough.
I said no. Huh?
Can we stay home tonight? Try something new tonight. This drink got me feeling right. I'm about to lose my mind. You, me, and Hennessy, look what you did to me. Fucking so crazy, you too.
I want to buy a block. What did it say? It says buy a block. Build a library. I want to buy one and paint my name on it. I think it's cute. So,
Yeah, go ahead, brother.
Bay and I are taking a
I want to get on Miss Car for WhatsApp and check where you're going.
We've left from Travelers. We're going to our friends.
Okay, I know where you're saying, Joe.
We're just taking a nice stroll. I want jerk pork, but they're selling it too bloody dear.
ass bitch and a bitch nigga. Plus I made 30 racks last week. Niggas mad cause my wrist gon' fleek. Man, I don't give a fuck, yeah, I'm all about my paper. Can catch me OT out in Cali in my scraper. But back in the D, I'm ice wooden on these hoes. It's meek on my back every time I do shows. Cause man, nowadays hoes hating so hard, but live in a small ass crib with a ham ass nigga and some bad ass kids.
That is huge.
Baby's food, my food,
Big man food. Pretty good food.
kind of bar, nice spot, and we're eating next to the ocean.